Having a social media presence is good, but unfortunately, most of us have come to realize that it goes just beyond posting pictures and videos on our social media platform and expecting the others to start rolling in. My name is Fuluke. Welcome to my channel where I share with you baking tips on how you can grow a profitable cake business. If you'd like to be part of this community, please click the subscribe button and we'd love to have you here. So let's go into it proper now. Content strategy for bakers. When you talk about content, what do you mean? Content is word, knowledge, information. So why do we need content right now? We're in the social media age. Why do we need content? We need content to be able to attract our potential clients. We need content to retain our clients, our already existing clients. And we also need content to build a relationship and also to build a following. You know, it's all about information. Just like I said, content is information, knowledge, word, and there are lots and lots of information out there. So now, what do we need? Why do we need a content strategy? This is to be able to help us to know where we are going and how to get there, so that you won't just be walking aimlessly. It's just like you posting your picture and nothing is happening on your page. So that is the reason why we need a content strategy. So to begin our content strategy plan, we have to do first, number one, we start with researching. So what you do is to start to find out what the people in your niche, your competitors, the people you look up to, the things that you see that you admire and you wish to become, you start to research and start to learn about it. Now the goal is not for you to copy them. The goal is for you to learn from those people, learn from those things, then infuse into your brand with your own style, infuse what you have learned and use it in your own brand in your own way. But the truth is that no one knows it all. So we keep learning every day. And now when you can see somebody who is doing it better than you can go further and learn how this person is doing it and use it in your own way in your brand. So that's number one. You start with researching. Having done your research properly, you now have to decide, going to number two now, you now have to decide which content category are you going to be focusing on. There are different types of content category. Your content could be educative, it can be entertaining, it can be inspirational. So when you talk about educative now, you're going to be telling us how to. Most educative videos are how to. So if you don't have an idea of how to start, just go, like I said, go to your competitor's page and look around, go on YouTube, learn, go to my page and learn. There's a lot of educative videos on my page, on my Instagram page. So you can talk about how to. Examples could be how to make a whipped cream cake, which I have a video on my channel here. It could be how to unbox a cake, how to cost and price a cake, and all that. Anything how to is educative. Now going to number two, you can decide to do entertaining videos. And entertaining videos can be a day in my life. You just tell us a bit about what you do as a bakery owner. You can just pick out the points that is relevant to your niche. It does not necessarily have to be everything about what you do in a day. So a day in your life can be an entertaining video. It could be you going to shop, getting your ingredients and equipment and everything. That's an entertaining video. And there are other entertaining videos that you can also do. You could even do a comedy stunt. Infuse it into your brand. It does not necessarily have to be anything outside. You can try do some comedy that relates with your brand, and that's an entertaining video. And that will attract also people to come to your page. When they see it's funny, people smile and they're happy, and they're like, okay, I can stay here and learn about this person. I'm interested in this particular person. So that's about entertaining video. And then the third one can be inspirational. You can put up a post, like I put up a post on my Instagram page today to inspire. You can put up memes, you can put up quotes. Something that will inspire somebody else to want to do for better, to grow and all that. So those are inspiring posts. It could also be an experience you've been through and you're encouraging somebody, motivating somebody to who might be going through that particular situation to move forward. So those are your content blocks or content category. Educative, it could be entertaining, it could be inspiring. So you choose whichever format you want to go and continue to work with it. So that's that about content category. Now let's talk about being consistent. Being consistent, I'm going to be using my personal experience now. Being consistent does not necessarily mean that you are posting every day, but being consistent means that you show up. It could be twice a week, it could be 3 times a week, it could be 4 times a week. Whatever time you choose, just make sure that whatever you are dropping on your page is valuable. It's something that is related to their brand. What I usually do is to think of one person in my mind that I'm talking to. So when I'm putting up a post, I'm like, okay, who do I want to talk to today? Okay, I focus on that person and carve out my caption and whatever it is I want to say. I'm focused on that person. And it's better than just talking generally. So you being consistent means that you show up all the time. It does not have to be every day. And when you show up, at any time you show up with relevant posts. You could also use things that can help make your work easier. You can schedule your posts. Facebook, Instagram has meta suits that you can use to schedule your posts, and it will post it directly. Some of my posts that I use on my social media is via meta suit. So I schedule the post, I write out the post, put the video and everything, write out my caption, and I schedule the post to when it's going to come out. So these are ways that you can help yourself. So if you have a Facebook page linked with your Instagram page, you can schedule a post and it posts it for you, and you don't have to worry about when or I'm going to post and everything. So that has cut your work into half already. The fact is that social media and businesses are merging every day. So you have to do your part as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, to utilize the opportunity that has been given to you. I hope you got value in today's videos, and I would love to hear from you and hear comment about how you are trying to create your own content strategy to build a profitable business, bakery business in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I would always love to hear from my followers if this video has brought so much value to you. All right, then see you next video where I'll be teaching more about baking tips on how you can grow a profitable cake business from home. See ya.